just quickly go through the cleaning process that I have shown in the previous video. If you want a detailed video, you can have a look at the video. I'm sharing the link below. Afterwards, I will show you how to clean the bottom of the machine where all the dirt piles up and it is difficult to reach there from the top. Show in detail how to place the bobbin case back because a lot of you have problem in placing them back the right way. So watch it till the end and you will learn it very easily. After we have cleaned the machine from the top in detail, now we are going to clean up the bottom part. If you are a regular sewer, you need to do that after around 6 months. But since I sew a lot and all the time, so I do it around after a month. You are going to open up all the screws of the base first, and if you really forget which screw go in which hole, you can place them in the position where they will go in the machine. It makes it easier. Open the base, we are going to unscrew the bobbin case. And as you can see, there's a lot of grease over here, and I will clean it up. Just piled up over the time. Clean it up properly. Making sure that there is no dust particle, because then it will clog in the oil that we are going to put. So after cleaning it thoroughly, now I am going to oil it. Make sure you oil it in the right friction points, and one drop is more than enough. Make sure you use the good quality oil. And that is it. Now you are going to screw back parts. You can watch it clearly how I screw it back, so you Now we are going to screw back the base and put everything back in place. Let's place the bobbin case back. Make sure that this part over here is in the center and it's vertically centered. This part. When you move the wheel, it moves. Make sure that this is in this position. Now we are going to place this part with two legs on the bottom, and we are going to place it like this. Now as you can see that there is a little bulging at the bottom, and we are going to put it in this hole and align it perfectly. If you do it the right way, the things will fall in place by themselves, just like this. And this is it. If everything is in the right place, the wheel should move smoothly. Now we are going to oil the bobbin case, and we are going to oil it at the friction points. Just one drop. Just like this. And this is it. Your machine is all oiled and clean for the next 6 months. Oiling after 6 months and cleaning after every 2 to 3 use. And if you are using a lot of fabric which leave behind the dust, then you need to clean your machine more often for it to move smoothly. And when you know you need to clean your machine, when it starts making more noise or when it starts breaking more thread, this is the time when you need to clean up your machine and oil it. This is it. Hope you have a good day. Bye.